All right, let's jump right into this explainer and transform you from a total beginner into an absolute pro with your new Bosch Induction Cooktop. Seriously, if you've just made the switch to induction, or even if you've had your cooktop for a while but feel like you're kind of just scratching the surface of what it can do, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're decoding the manuals, the secret menus, and even those pesky error codes to give you complete mastery over your kitchen's most advanced tool. Here's our roadmap for today. First, choosing your cookware. Second, mastering the controls. Third, unlocking hidden features. Fourth, cleaning and maintenance. And finally, number 5, troubleshooting common errors. Section 1, choosing your cookware, the magnetic truth. So you might be wondering right now if you need to toss out all your old pans and spend a small fortune on new ones. Honestly, it's the #1 worry people have when they switch to induction. But the answer to whether your current favorite pot will work is incredibly easy to figure out. And you probably already have the exact testing tool you need sitting right on your refrigerator door. Well, the answer all comes down to the magnet trick. If a regular fridge magnet sticks firmly to the base of your pot, you are good to go. You see, induction relies on electromagnetic fields to generate heat directly inside the metal of the pan itself rather than heating the glass surface. So if your pan has ferromagnetic properties, meaning it tracks magnets, it's going to work. Cast iron, enameled cast iron, and tons of stainless steel options will pass this test with flying colors. And speaking of passing the test, the absolutely ideal pan needs to be heavy-bottomed and completely flat. That flat bottom is literally vital. If your cooking zone display ever starts blinking at you, it simply means it can't detect a suitable pan. And if you don't put one there within 30 seconds, the cooktop just automatically turns itself off. Moving on to Section 2, mastering the controls, power at your fingertips. Now let's talk interface. The Direct Select control panel looks super minimal, but it is incredibly powerful. Instead of tapping a plus or minus button endlessly like on older models, you can instantly tap any of the 17 power levels with a single touch. It gives you gas-like precision, but with perfect digital consistency. But hey, basic power levels are just the start. These core Bosch features are basically your secret weapons in the kitchen. Need pasta water fast? Hit Speed Boost for a super rapid boil. Making pancakes for a crowd? Flex Induction literally merges 2 cooking zones into one massive zone for your griddle. But my absolute favorite has to be Power Move. It turns your flexible zone into 3 distinct temperature areas. You can go from a rolling boil at the front, to a simmer in the middle, to a keep warm setting at the back, just by sliding the pan across the glass. No button pressing required whatsoever. Oh, and Auto Chef. It uses the sensor to control the pan temperature so you never overheat your oil. All right, Section 3, unlocking hidden features. The secret menu. Picture this. Your soup boils over. Total mess, right? Well, don't panic. Just tap the little paw icon on your display. This activates the cleaning pause. You now have exactly 30 seconds to wipe the glass clean. During this quick half minute, the control panel locks completely, so you don't accidentally mess up your settings while you're wiping. If you finish up and put the pot back within 30 seconds, cooking resumes perfectly. If you don't, the safety shutoff kicks in to protect the appliance. Time management is literally everything in cooking, and this cooktop essentially gives you 3 built-in sous chefs. You've got your standard alarm timer that just beeps at you, but the real magic is the zone-specific timer. You can actually tell a specific burner to completely shut off the heat after, say, exactly 22 minutes. You will literally never burn a pot of rice again. There's also a stopwatch timer that counts up from 0, which is absolutely brilliant when you're testing a new recipe and need to track exactly how long it takes for something to brown. Okay, ready for the real hidden depths? To access the core programming menu, which is where you can change things like those annoying button press beeps or set up automatic child locks, you have to follow these exact 3 steps, kind of like a secret handshake. Turn the unit off, turn it back on, and within 10 seconds, hold the timer icon for a full 4 seconds. Once you're in that hidden menu, there's this feature called Power Management, and let me tell you, it's an absolute lifesaver if you live in an older home with limited electrical capacity. If you've been putting off installing induction because your house only has a 2500 watt or maybe a 3500 watt supply available, Power Management lets you actually restrict the total power the cooktop is allowed to draw. It intelligently balances the power across active burners so you never ever trip your home's circuit breaker. Section 4, cleaning and maintenance. Keeping it pristine. Now, because induction doesn't heat the glass directly, spills don't bake on nearly as hard as they do on traditional electric cooktops. Still, you should absolutely never use abrasive scrubbing pads. Instead, just follow this protocol. Always wait for the residual heat indicator to turn off first. Then, if there's crusted food or, say, melted plastic, grab your glass scraper. But here's the crucial trick. Pay special attention to that low 20 to 30 degree scraping angle. If you hold the scraper too steep, you really risk scratching the glass. Once it's scraped, just use a proper glass cleaner and buff it out with a soft cloth. For your everyday maintenance, or if you've got some leftover grime, specific Bosch cleaners are definitely your best bet. If you're dealing with really stubborn grease, spray on the degreaser, but patience is absolutely key here. You've got to let that degreaser sit for 3 to 5 minutes before wiping it away with water and a soft cloth. Let the chemicals do the hard work for you. Finally, Section 5, Troubleshooting Common Errors, Decoding the Beeps. Okay, we've all been there. The cooktop starts flashing and beeping. But don't panic. Most of these F codes simply mean the cooktop is trying to protect itself. F1, F2, F4, and F6 all mean the electronics are overheating, and the system literally just needs a few minutes to cool down before you can start cooking again. If you see an F5 and hear continuous beeping, it means you've slid a hot pan too close to the control panel. Just slide it away immediately. If the whole display is just flashing wildly, you've probably spilled water on the controls or maybe laid a towel over them. Just dry it off. The only codes that usually require outside help are E9000 or E9010, which mean your home's power supply voltage is acting up. Another super common frustration? Seeing a little key symbol and finding your cooktop totally unresponsive. If you're completely locked out and see that key, don't worry, your cooktop is not broken. Just touch and hold that key symbol for 4 straight seconds to disable the child lock. And hey, if all else fails, if you've got a stubborn error code that simply won't clear or the system seems completely frozen, it's time for the ultimate reset hack. Turn the cooktop off, walk over to your home's main electrical panel, and kill the power at the circuit breaker. Wait at least 30 seconds, a full minute is even better, honestly. Then flip the breaker back on to completely reboot the system. It is literally the classic IT turn it off and on again solution, just applied to your kitchen. And there you have it. You've gone from just doing the basic magnet test to literally programming hidden menus and decoding error protocols. You now possess the knowledge of a seasoned technician and a master chef combined. So, the only question left to ask is, what are you going to cook up first, and which of these hidden features are you going to test out tonight? Dive in, experiment with those timers, slide some pans across the power move zones, and really enjoy the incredible precision of your new induction cooktop.